Once again, this is Alok, and today I'm going to talk on difference between brownfield IT project and the greenfield IT projects. So before that, before understanding the IT field projects, it is good to understand what is brownfield and what is greenfield. To precisely define it, the brownfield projects actually those projects which is actually develop or execute on the existing system. Like if you're going to develop a manufacturing plant, it is you want to develop a brownfield project. It means that a new manufacturing plant will be developed using the existing infrastructures. That might be the old factory, the old manufacturing plant. There you need to customize the existing infrastructures based need for as per the need for the new project. So this entire engagement or the system will call the brownfield projects. And the greenfield projects are those projects which are basically developed from scratch. For example, you're going to develop a uh, new data center in a remote locations where you find you need a land. In that land, you going to build the building and the campuses. There we have all these things from scratch, including your set of infrastructures, furnitures, cold cooling system, electricity, everything you're going to plan from scratch in the plain land. That land might be the forest area, might be the farming area, and you're going to fund the project, and that fund will going to utilize that to acquire that land. I mean to say the buying that land, and then on that land you're going to do the establish the infrastructures that comprises your buildings, your electricity, your cooling system, your networking system. All these will be developed from scratch for this new data center. Now the question is, what is the difference between what is the definition of this brownfield IT project and the greenfield IT projects? Like if you're going to modify your existing legacy system, which is actually using for your billing, and you wanted to develop a new system, so what you need to do? You're going to modify with the new modules, new changes in existing projects or existing ERP system or the legacy system that will be considered as a brownfield IT projects. On the other hand, for the greenfield projects, you want to develop a new customer portal that will be served a single windows or single platform for your all type of customer. That comprises your service-based customer, or that comprises your billing system customer. So everything will be considered in the single portal, and you're going to develop, which is not exist, and you want to, it should be developed with the newly built technology and resources, and your plan is to it should be easily scalable as well as have a long way to run and support. So you decided to have a green IT project that is from top of I would say everything from scratch. What are the key differences with the brownfield and the greenfield? Brownfield involves the legacy system, and the legacy system involve that key challenges with this brownfield IT project that comprises integration with your legacy system with a new system, and the existing constraint like your that legacy system or the your existing system is running on your a very customized or very sophisticated hardware or infrastructure that is might be the constraint. But on the other hand, in the greenfield project, it offers a flexibility, modern infrastructures, and there is no such constraint. It means that is options to scale in or scale up at any point of time, along with the easy to have a long way to provide the run and support. Some of the IT industry example that for the brownfield projects and the greenfield projects are, like suppose for brownfield existing IT project system, like you're going to upgrade your system from you're going to upgrade your ERC legacy system to the new system. So what you'll do, you're going to add a new module inside the existing ERP system. And the challenge would be same, what you need to find your resources who can work on this technologies and the system and have a smart or enough experience to handle these changes on the future basis. Similarly, another type of example is for the Brownfield IT project, migrating on-premises application to the cloud infrastructure or the hybrid cloud system. So the constraint is how you will going to migrate your existing applications to the new IT, new hybrid cloud system. So there will be several constraints you will encounter because of your legacy system might be running in the some low code or might be running in the very low level machine programming languages, and that's required to rewriting. These challenges will happen in case of brownfield IT project. However, in greenfield IT project, as I mentioned, you're going to develop everything from scratch. That is brand new thing for your project, either you for the cloud based app or either for the mobile development. Everything is going to develop from scratch, which is not exist earlier, but you wanted to have a new project from scratch. For that, you need to or you able to fund for your infrastructure. You able to fund for the resources. You able to fund for the technology and all the challenges. So this is a very short video on brownfield and the brownfield IT project and the greenfield IT project. Hope so. You would like it, and please subscribe and put a comment how you feel about that. Thank you.